This is a Carrier heat pump at our vacation home in Palm Coast. It is obviously running in cool mode. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. I'm unsure how many tons it is and the SEER number it is. All I can just say right now is that it's a heat pump. The box is right up here. I believe this is a plug. It is. There's the faucet for the hose. And the air handler is in the garage. I'll get a video of that in a moment. Comes with a Nest thermostat. I'll get a picture of that in a moment. Here's warm. Mines are nice and cold. Now for the air handler. And here is the air handler in the garage. Carrier. Now the noise that you're hearing in the background is the lawnmower. I think someone in the neighborhood is mowing the grass. So I'm not sure all that stuff is, but this, I believe, is where the return vent goes. I'll have a picture of that, so. I'm not sure what this is, but excuse me. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
When it's hot, eat a root beer popsicle. Shut off the AC and roll the windows down. Let that summer sunshine always stay humble.